What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about CPM. And I know some of you don't know what CPM is, but I wanted to get into some of the details and hopefully I answer some of your questions, but it's really hard to get a lot of information when it comes to CPM, but I'm hoping that I can give you the information that you need, especially for new YouTubers that are trying to get information. So we'll get into that in just a second. Before I start, hit that subscribe button, help me out, and you hit the subscribe button. Also like the video, and I do a giveaway every single week, so if you want to know about that giveaway, stick around to the end of the video and you'll hear all about it. Now, CPM, what does that even mean? Cost per mile. What does that mean? So basically, this is something that refers to the amount you're going to be making per 1,000 views. And when I say 1,000 views, I'm putting 1,000 views in quotes for a reason, because it may mean something different to one person than it does the other. And depending how many ads you have in those 1,000 views, you can get a lot more. So I just want to let you know that just because it means per 1,000 views doesn't mean someone comes to your channel and views your video and then you all of a sudden get, that amount. So like $1 or so. No, you can have a lot more than that, and there's a lot more that goes into it. So I wanted to get into this. So let me break down this video for you. What I'm gonna do in this video is I was going to try to get all of the CPMs, but I could not do it because CPMs are like, I don't know, heavily guarded, and I understand that YouTube really doesn't want it out. It's just like you working at a job. They don't want your pay out. They don't want it out in the open. They don't want people to know how much you're making on a daily basis or on a monthly basis or whatever, because they're a business and you're the employee, or technically you own your own business, but still you're the employee of YouTube, of Mother YouTube. So that's how things go. So it's really tough to get a lot of CPM information. So I wanted to get CPM for each individual category and also break it down by video type as well. But I'm going to go through the different categories and give an opinion on certain areas that I feel would be a certain CPM, and then break down the highest CPM that I've ever seen. So let's go ahead and get into this. So just like I said, cost per mile means basically cost per mile, cost per 1,000 views, cost to YouTube per 1,000 views. So it's going to be how much you get in ads per 1,000 views. So let's say you own a makeup channel and you get $1 per 1,000 views, you're going to gain $1 for every 1,000 views you get. But it could change depending on how many ads you have in that video. So if you have $1 per 1,000 views, that's $1 per 1,000 views for one ad. And then if you add the second ad in there, it's another $1 per 1,000 views, which would be $2. Another ad, $3. Another ad, $4. So it depends how many ads you have in your videos. And if you get over the 10-minute mark, then that's where you could start to add mid-roll ads in your videos. And then also, whether they're skippable ads or non-skippable ads, that's where you can start to gain a little bit more money from those videos. So you see a lot of like Jimmy Fallon or Jimmy Kimmel with non-skippable ads, because of the fact that they get a little bit more money from it, and they're only 4-minute clips. They're not over 10 minutes, so you're getting a little bit more money for it. So really it's more focused on ad playbacks rather than just ads, and that's always a good thing. But I wanted to get this stuff out here just so you know exactly what CPM is. But that's the crux of what CPM is. And if you need a little bit more explanation, let me know. Shoot me a comment down below. I'll gladly respond to it. But one thing that people do get confused as well is basically the video category and also the category of their channel, thinking that just because they're education, all of their videos are going to get, $5 per 1,000 views or $10 per 1,000 views. No, it depends on what you say in your video that will get you certain ads, and you'll get paid accordingly. So even if you're PewDiePie, who talks about memes all the time, you can basically talk about real estate or talk about finance and get more per 1,000 views because of what you're saying in the videos.
Highest valued ads on YouTube are real estate. I'm just gonna say a bunch of words when the mid-roll rolls and hopefully get the ad in.
The video is going to a different type of audience than his normal audience. And I understand the normal people are seeing it, but what he's saying in the video is resonating with a lot of the real estate people or financial market. And now he's starting to get a lot of financial ads on his channel, things like that, and then you start to make more money. So that's how that works. But people get this confused by saying just because I'm education, I'm going to get education CPM. Just because I'm gaming, I'm going to get gaming CPM. It depends what you talk about and what ads are on your videos. So some of the categories that they have here are film and animation, auto and vehicles, music, pets and animals, sports, travel and events, gaming, people and blogs, comedy, entertainment, news and politics, how-to and style, education, science and technology, not-for-profits, and activism. So these really don't mean anything. They just put you in a general category, but then once you get to a point to where you talk about things in your video, you can be a gamer and then all of a sudden start talking about financial stuff, and you'll get paid like a financial channel because of the fact that you're talking about it. And that's how it goes. When they start getting all the closed captions from your videos, they'll know exactly what you're talking about. So YouTube really looks at this and knows what ads to place in that area. So that's how that works. But I wanted to just go through some areas that I see, so my channel specifically, and just give you an understanding on like what I see and what's the highest CPM that I have ever seen on my channel, which could possibly be the highest CPM you have ever seen. So let's go ahead and get into this real quick. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go into my video analytics. I'm going to go into my home page. Let me just get in here before I put it up on the screen. So right now I'm taking you into my analytics. So what I'm going to look at here is we're going to see my last video, we're going to see the average view duration, all that stuff, my subscribers, how much I made in revenue in the last 28 days, which was $1,500, which is really good for a sub 6,000 subscriber channel, right? But it's all because of certain videos, certain things that I'm doing. It's not just about, talking about credit cards, which may give me, $10 per 1,000 views. Or I'm talking about, I don't know, how to grow on YouTube, which may give me $5 per 1,000 views. I'm talking about other things that will give me more. So let's go into my videos here. So I have a bunch of videos I upload every single day. So let's go into, I don't know, let's sort it by views. So we're sorting it by views, and now we're going to look at my most viewed videos. Let's start with the Capital One Quicksilver card. Now, I was not monetized throughout the whole entire time of having this video uploaded, but let's go into analytics. And we're going to see that I made in total since it was uploaded. I believe it was published. Since it was published, I believe I made $239 from this video off of 20,000 views. So when we look at the amount of money that I got back from this video, the Quicksilver video, I gained $20 per 1,000 views, which is not bad. At its max, it was 44, which is really good. But those are like days that come and go. Obviously, you see an average of around 20 and some that go up to 40. But what I was really interested in was to see what my highest CPM ever was. And I don't know if I could ever find that, but I do have a couple of videos that were pretty interesting to see. So I'm going to go back to my videos, and I'm going to go to how to trade with Fidelity. So that's an 18,000 view video. It's not that far off from the Quicksilver video. And let's go ahead and look at the analytics there. So when I look at the analytics on this one, obviously you can see that I made basically $800, $756 on this video, which has 19,000 views, 18.8 thousand views. I gained 204 subscribers from it. But when we go to revenue, let's look at what it is. So almost $60 in CPM. That's absolutely amazing. $60 in CPM on average. Obviously, it grew in the last few months. It's been really growing. But this has only been uploaded for a little bit, but in the last few months, I've been gaining a lot of views from it. But let's look at the actual breakdown of the CPM here. So CPM, you can see it goes extremely high. So it goes as high as $161 per 1,000 views. And these are just outliers, but it's absolutely insane to be able to see $161. And this is a financial video. I'm noticing that financial videos actually gain a lot more when it comes to CPM, when it comes to the amount per 1,000 views. You're gaining a lot more. Now, I haven't seen the real estate videos. I've heard that real estate gains the most. That's what I've heard, but $161 per 1,000 views, or at average $60 per 1,000 views, is absolutely amazing. I gained $756 from this video alone. For a person that has less than 6,000 subscribers, that's absolutely amazing. So that's what I wanted to show you, is that there's such a large range. You cannot just go in and expect to make $10 per 1,000 views or $1 per 1,000 views. You have to know what you have to do in order to get you at a higher CPM rate. So if you have a video that's 10 minutes long and you want to put 3 ads in it, whatever your CPM rate will be based on, what you're talking about in the video, if it's $5, it'll be times 3, $15 per 1,000 views that you have. So that's what you want to work on. But it's all about the CPM. It's all about understanding the CPM. And it's not about whether you get $1 or, $60. It's about, can you put more ads in your videos and get that $1 up to $3 or $5, or get that $5 up to $15 or $20? That's what matters. If you really wanted to make money from YouTube, you need to understand all of these things throughout your analytics and know when to place ads, know if ads are appropriate in your videos, and if you're talking about certain areas. So that's something that I really wanted to show here. And this is not my lowest or my highest amount. I'm pretty sure I must have something that's higher. Let's go back to my details here. And hopefully I can find something before I end this video. Let's see. So I have another investment video. Let's see what I gained there. I don't know what I gained. So let's see. Analytics. So I gained $344 over the lifetime of this video, I believe. Let's check. Come on, since published, since uploaded. Let's see, $344 over the lifetime of this video. I gained a lot of popularity December and prior, but obviously I'm not getting that many views now on this video. But it has 10,000 views. Let's see what the CPM rate was. Let's go to revenue, actually. So revenue, $56. So obviously investing is really great, but let's go into CPM, see if I gained anything higher. So, wow. So it seems at some points I was at $302 per 1,000 views, and those are just outliers, but to show that it can get that high is amazing. And this video was over the 10-minute mark, so I was able to place a couple of ads in there, but $302 is absolutely insane, right? So it just shows that it's not at a limit to where you just say, what category should I get into? Where can I make the most money? It's how you can place your ads, what you can talk about in those videos to get you to a certain level. It's not all about what category do you pick. I'm not going to select education and expect to get, $150 per 1,000 views. No, it's all about what you talk about in the videos. It's all about how much traction you get, how long they're watching your videos, are they watching all of the ads that are in your videos? There's a lot that goes into it. So hopefully I answered some questions. Hopefully I didn't ramble on, but I'll try and slim it down a little bit. Hopefully a lot of you got to this point and found value in this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And I do a giveaway every single week. So if you want to enter that giveaway, all you have to do is comment on at least one video for the week, like at least one video for the week, and also be subscribed to my YouTube channels. Both of them. Be subscribed to this one and be subscribed to this one. If you're subscribed to both of my YouTube channels, you get one ticket in the hat. But if you want multiple tickets, then comment on multiple videos. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.